Welcome back to my channel, Data Wizards. Today, I have an exciting topic for you all data enthusiasts out there. I'm going to be diving into the ultimate guide to setting up Apache NiFi on Google Cloud. If you're looking to streamline your data integration process and handle real-time data efficiently, then you have come to the right place. Let's get started. The prerequisite for this course that you need to have a working Google Cloud account. So first thing we need to do is we need to set up our virtual machine, log in and go to your console, click on console, then come here and search, and the pop-up come out and you click compute engine. Then click on create instance. Then let's call our instance name. Let's call it NiFi instance. NiFi instance. So the region US Central one will remain the same. The series will remain the same. The storage will remain the same. So you scroll down. For the boot disk, we're going to change it to Ubuntu. So let's select, click on it, and come to scroll down and select Ubuntu. We're going to be using the balanced persistent disk, and we're going to be using Ubuntu 2004 LTX. We're going to leave the size at 10 gig. Click on select and scroll down. Under the firewall, we're going to select HTTP and HTTPS traffic, and we're going to click that's all. You're not going to do any extra adjustments, and you're going to click create. Okay, our instance is ready. Now let's click on SSH. Click on your SSH. It's going to connect automatically. You don't need a key pair like AWS to set up to navigate into your compute engine. So you click authorize. So let me clear this. Let me clear it. So type clear. So we need to install Apache NiFi on our Google Cloud environment. So we need to switch to super user mode by typing sudo su, which means super user. Press enter. So it will take you to the root user. So the next step we need to update our system package using apt update. The next step is that we need to install the required Java Development Kit JDK by executing. Let me go to my Visual Studio and copy. By executing apt install and press enter. So it's going to install our Java Development Kit. Type Y to continue. So we have finished downloading the JDK. The next step is to install NiFi. So let's go to our browser and type download NiFi, download Apache NiFi. So you select the first one and we'll go to release archives. The most reliable one according to source is 1.16.0. Click on it and we're going to be needing the tar.gz. I already have it here, so we can install it by typing widget. So let me copy it. So we're going to be installing NiFi 1.160 binta, which is this one here. So let me copy it. Let's paste it on our terminal and click enter. So it's going to take a while. So let me pause this video. So now so we finished downloading our NiFi. So the next step is to extract the downloaded file using the tar xzvf. So let me let me copy it. So this is the tar xzvf, copy it and paste. I'm going to leave all these execution steps in the description below. So press enter to extract the files. So the next step is to navigate to our NiFi configuration folder. So first of all, let's LX to see the file. So let's navigate to our NiFi, CD, NiFi, press tab and press enter. Let's LX into our NiFi and we're going to see the conf file. So let's navigate to our CD, conf, LX. The next thing is to edit our the NiFi property. So we need to v NiFi property. So we're going to VI into NIF. So we are going to VI into the NiFi property. So now we need to do the following adjustment. So we need to turn our NiFi remote input HTTP enable to false. So let's search for it. So for you that don't know how to use bash or command shell, just press I so that you can be able to edit. So let's look for NiFi. The first editing we need to do is to go to look for NiFi remote input HTTP enable. We need to turn it to false. So let's NiFi remote. So we need to scroll down. So look at it here. So we need to change our NiFi remote input HTTP enable to false. The next one is to the NiFi web port to HTTP 8080. So let's go to, so this is the NiFi web HTTP port. So I'm going to be using 8088 here. 8088. So the next one is NiFi web HTTP host and NiFi web HTTP port. We need to HTTPS. We need to empty it. So let's go to, so we need to keep it blank. So let's clean the host. Let's on the port we need to empty. The next one is the NiFi security property. So this is the property. So the first one we need to do is the NiFi security key store. NiFi security key store. We need to empty this. We need to empty. We need to the key store type. The password should be empty. The key password should be empty. The NiFi security trust store should be empty. So we need to delete. The trust store type should be empty too. And the trust store password should be empty too. So this is it. So now let's Let's save it. So colon. So after saving it, you press escape and now press colon WQ and press enter to save it, to save all the changes we made. So the next thing is to start our NiFi. So let's go back one step, CD period and press enter. Alex. So now we need to navigate to our bin. So CD bin. So if we need to launch our NiFi, so we can use so we'll type slash period slash NiFi show dot start. Sometimes it and click enter. So it's running now, but if we try to launch, it's not gonna work. So let's go to we'll go to our Visual Studio and copy our external IP, our public IP, and come here. So we're gonna paste it. And the port we selected is 8088/NiFi. So press enter, but it's not gonna go through. So let's wait. It's not gonna go through because it's running on the firewall role is not open. So let's wait. We need to go to our VPC network and click on firewall. We need to set up our firewall rule for our NiFi to access the TCP port 8088 we edited on our NiFi configuration. So let's go to create firewall rules. And you're gonna call this NiFi access. Type the same thing on the description, NiFi access. Everything for the default, we're gonna leave it there. The priority is gonna be an ingress rule. For target range, we're going to select all instances in the network and the VPC range. So for our source, we need to go to this website to get our IP. What is what is my IP address, type what is my IP address and click on it. So you get your own IP address here. You're going to get your IP address here, copy it and come to our firewall we are creating and paste it in this source IPv4 range. Paste it and select specific port. So you're going to put the port 8088 here and you're going to click create. So let's wait for it to finish creating the firewall rules for us. So we've created the rule. So now let's go back to our public IP NiFi. Let's refresh it. And there you have it. You have just mastered setting up Apache NiFi on Google Cloud. These powerful data integration tools will revolutionize how you handle real-time data and streamline your data pipeline. Whether you're a seasonal data engineer or a data wizard exploring new technology, Apache NiFi is a game changer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get updates on my latest content. If you have any question or need further guidance, leave a comment below and I will be happy to assist you. Until next time, happy data engineering and stay curious.